Hey guys, this is Harshil and welcome back to the Creators channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build your very own radar at your home. Like this. So to start making the radar, you're gonna need an Arduino board, then an ultrasonic sensor, a bunch of jumper wires, a breadboard, and at last, a 9-gram servo. Now, take 4 jumper wires, male to female, and connect them to your ultrasonic sensor as shown. Now, take 3 female to female jumper wires and connect them to your servo as shown. Now again take 2 female to female jumper wires and connect them to your VCC and ground pin of your Arduino. Now take your breadboard and connect the ground and VCC on it as shown. Now take your servo and connect its negative and positive wires to the ground and VCC of your Arduino on the breadboard. Now take your ultrasonic sensor and again connect its negative and positive pin to the ground and VCC of your Arduino on the breadboard. Now take the signal wire of your servo and connect it to pin number 12 on your Arduino board. Now take the trigger pin of your ultrasonic sensor and connect it to pin number 10 on your Arduino. Now take the echo pin of your ultrasonic sensor and connect it to pin number 11 on your Arduino board. Now using hot glue, mount your ultrasonic sensor upside down on your servo's arm. Now connect your Arduino to your laptop using USB A to B cable. Now I've connected my Arduino to my laptop. Now let's go to my laptop screen and do the program. So now I'm on my computer screen. First of all, you need to open this. This is the Arduino IDE. Now clear all this and then paste this code. I have given the link in the description for this code. You can download it. Now in the tools section, go to your board and select the correct board which you are using, and in the port section choose the correct port. After doing that, you can just click upload. As you can see, it has shown done uploading, and after you do that, your servo should start rotating, and if it doesn't, you can check your connection and do it again. So now after doing the programming in the Arduino IDE, you need to open this application. It is known as processing. So just open it. So after it has opened, we will paste this code here. Again, I have given the link in the description for this code and the code for the Arduino IDE. You can download it from there. So now here, if you scroll down, you will see in the 19th line there will be written this my port. So in the COM5 section, you have to write the port which you are using. So for the people who are using a Mac like me, you will not be having a COM port here. You need to go to tools in your Arduino IDE, and then in the port section you need to write this, the port in which the name of your Arduino board will be written. So mine is this, so I will just write this in the place. So after you have written this, now we will click on this. This is the option which is like a play button. So as soon as you click, a screen like this will appear. So now as you can see, it has started working. The green line which is going around shows that there is no object detected, and as soon as an object is detected, it will show a red line there. As you can see, now object is detected and it is showing a red line. So guys, as you can see, our radar is working pretty fine right now. So on the monitor there is a green line, so a green line will be there if there is no object detected by the radar, and there will be a red line if any object is detected. As you can see, now there is a red line. That means some object is in front of the radar. And green line if there is no object in front of the radar. As you can see. So guys, that was the video. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.